Guess who's back? You didn't finish it. Finish it. Isang scoop talaga dapat ito.
Hindi, plano lang yan.
What? Ito were even siguro. Today, we are gonna do shoulders. Extreme shoulder workout. Hindi kami uuwi hanggat naitataas pa namin yung kamay namin. And andito ulit si Michael. Hot. Who's that ba? Hot. It's out na. Hot is out na? Yeah. Shit. Actually, huwag na tayo mag-gym. Uwi na tayo. Tapusin lang namin to and then we're gonna watch the Seraphim's comeback. Okay, let's do this. Huwag mo muna panoorin. Don't listen to it muna. Can you make my hat backwards? My hat. Ayan. $15 reps, not bad. Akala ko 2 reps lang. Good. How was it?
Parang that's my 12 reps.
Boys, comment nyo nga below kung alam nyo yung kanta na naririnig mo. Kung naririnig mo. Ano, let's do the heavy set na. Let's do 10. You can. Huh? Michael, I'm not allowing you to baby yourself. Ba't ka? Lahat kasi ng clips nandito sa amin, oh. Lahat ng clips nandito. Last one.
Last. No, I can't.
Let's do this. Time out daw sa amin na Michael. Kasi kakatapos lang ng Michael ng back. Ako kakatapos ko lang ng chest. So, it's just shoulders today. Kung kaya pa ng arms, pilit natin yung arms. Not bad. We're gonna be dropping to what? 5 o 12? 5. Pakabanong mo naman eh. Paano kunwari nalulunod na si Honey? Tapos may nahuhulog sa kanyang ano?
Bawal na question sa ganyan.
Napanood mo yung Avengers, yung last? Paano kung buong New Jeans nandun, tapos ikaw si Hulk? Kailangan mo i-angat yung ano? O si Ant-Man pala nag-angat nun. Kung ikaw si Ant-Man.
Bakit ako ng question?
Tapos yung buong New Jeans nasa ilalim. Eh, ang kailangan mong buhatin, 15 pa dito. Kanina 10, di ba? Tig 15.
Yeah, I can.
One rep max. Eh, they have to go out pa eh.
One lang sa save ko. Si Honey lang. Patay nila.
Okay, let's do this. Mahina to eh. Ano lang to eh? 5, 10, 35 lang to eh. Tama ba? 10. 35 lang to eh.
Good.
Not that too close. Oh, it's not too close pala. Akala ko yung
Kind of part na ako.
akala ko yung making fun lang. I like no.
I'm still
Recovering.
cooling down.
Michael, ang bilis mapagod eh. Napakahina eh. Mahinang nila lang eh.
Do the rolling.
Where? Ah, sige. You think I can? Why are you doing that? You just do this. Sobrang tanga naman eh.
Yun.
It's not even active.
Huh?
It's not even active.
What a bitch.
Yan. One. Pataasan, paramihan. Padamihan dapat. If I do more.
Then I have to go up over 1 plus.
Yeah. Oh, really? Baka mami sabihin mo, ayoko na. Make sure naman that I'm on frame. Me, I make sure you're...
Yeah, kanina, ganda. Hindi.
Lolo mo maganda. Whatever my record is, you'll beat it by one.
My prediction, mga 7. Because of this competition, we're gonna have abs. Huh? 12. Oh, that's it? 12?
15 clean reps, bitch.
There's no need to say bitch.
15 clean reps. Baby boy. Tingnan natin. Pakayabang na itong batang to eh. Porket mas bata siya sa akin, kala niya mas malakas siya eh. Porket athlete ka, yabang mo. Nice. Isa pa. Isa pa. It's not even abs day. Exactly, para lang magyabangan. I'm gonna return everything.
Stupid na to.
Ako pa. I'm going to jump from lang.
Wasted so much energy.
Nagpunta kami na Michael dito sa area na to para magpahinga. Pero imbes na papahinga kami, may mga additional parts of the body na mas masakit na. And for what? To prove what?
For pride. Ng coach. So, wala naman siya dito. So, if only we had known, we could have done it at
Ang
night.
ingay mo. Kasulad, the other coaches are here. So are you disappointed?
No naman, sayang lang yung schedule, sayang yung time.
So, give up ka na kay CC. Give up ka na kay CC. Not yet giving up. After lateral raise, you can go. We even did the abs na hindi naman natin kailangan.
Ito kasi, you made happen possible.
What the? I was gonna jump rope. And then you said do the ab roller. Tapos ako pa
And
yun.
then you said, how many can you do?
That's
Siyempre,
it. You could have just answered 6. Or
Yeah,
tapos na.
why did you trigger me? You know naman, I'm gonna...
You could have ended it with 6. And then we're done. You have to show me pa.
No, you could have ended it also after I did 6.
You have to prove a point.
After I did 6, sabi mo ko, if I do plus 1, you're gonna do another plus. So, ikaw rin eh.
What? Let's do it?
Sige.
Oras ka pa rin.
Oh, sige, let's do.
Porket wala sa CC, you're not happy.
Newfound strength of a person cleared by the NBI. Nine kilos.
Siguro stop, Michael. Come here. When I'm with you. Michael, I'm happy. Masaya na si Michael. And hindi na namin i-share kung ba't siya masaya, pero masaya na siya. Kompleto na yung pagdalaw niya sa amin. Hindi naman talaga niya kami dinidalaw dito para makita niya kami nandiyan eh. Pumunta siya dito para... Go na. May motivation na to do what's right. Sarap kaya mag-gym na may kasama. Sabi ko sa'yo, transfer ka na dito eh. Ang lungkot kaya mag-gym mag-isa.
Pwede mo naman si Jen.
Ha?
Hamunin mo rin si Jim.
Diyan, nasa coach eh. Hindi naman kami technically magkasama eh.
Hindi hamunin mo niya yung coach.
What? What? Are you happy?
Happy for what? I'm happy when I see.
She subscribed ah.
Because what?
She subscribed.
Ah, really? Then don't put it. Stupid.